Okay, this is a video for the Edexcel unit tests, unit test 8, and this is the worked answers to question 3. So in this question we have particle and there's a force acting on it, but we are given the force in the form of AI plus 10J. We don't know exactly where it's acting, but we're told it's acting at 300 degrees. So from GCSE, if we know this is our north line, 300 degrees all the way around, and it's going to be pointing in that sort of direction. So this angle here is 60, and I know the mass is 60 kilograms. I'm asked to find the exact value of A, I'm asked to find the magnitude of R, I'm asked to find the acceleration of the particle, so it's currently at rest, so this resultant force will cause it to move, and the time it takes to move 640 meters. So like many of these questions, I'm going to start by drawing a diagram. So I have my 6 kilograms, I have a force going in this direction. I don't know this force, so I'm just going to call it AI plus 10J. But I do know when I put my north line in, this angle here is going to be 60 degrees. So the first part of the question asks us to find variable A. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take advantage of the fact it's in the form of a vector and split it horizontally and vertically. So this side is A, this side is 10. What this means is I can use the fact that tan 60 equals A over 10, rearranging 10 tan 60 equals A, and 10 root 3 equals A. I need to be careful because I've assumed A is a length. A is not a length, A actually has a direction as well, so it's going to the left, so A is in fact minus 10 over 3. Part B asks for the magnitude of R, so part B is pretty much asking us for the length of that line. So I'm going to do Pythagoras. So I'm going to do the square root of 10 squared plus minus 10 root 3 squared. I probably should have put that squared sign outside, but it's not going to matter. 100 plus 300, which is the square root of 400, which I know is 20. Forces are measured in newtons, so I'm just going to put an N there as well. I'm also just going to double underline my answers just to make it really easy for an examiner so they know exactly what I want them to mark. In part C, we're asked to find the acceleration, so I'm going to use F equals ma. 20 equals 6a, so 10 over 3 equals a. In part D, I'm asked to find a displacement, so S of 640. Straight away I'm thinking Suva equations. U, I knew it was starting at rest. A, I've just worked out as 10 over 3. Time is what the question's asked me to find. So I need to use a formula that links S, U, A and T. So S equals UT plus a half AT squared. So substituting into this, we get 640. I'm not going to bother doing this because 0 times t is 0. So it's a half of A, which is 5 over 3. T squared. Times by 3, divide by 5 and the square root. So I end up with 640 times 3 divided by 5 equals t, which gives me a final answer that t equals 19.6 seconds. It's unlikely you'll be penalised in an exam, but I probably should have stated the acceleration is meters per second, so ms to the minus 2. That would get you the full marks for this question.